Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
So one of my subscribers asked for me and my sister to do a burping challenge. Here it goes. We're ready. We got Dr. Peppers. I guess she over there making all that noise. Sorry. So I guess we just don't, I don't know, drink the soda and see who got the most burps. Is that how they go?
I guess so. You should have asked the subscriber.
You know what? I didn't even think about it. Ask me how y'all want it done.
Okay,
But
open it.
we got our soda, so we about to go ahead and start.
Ooh, did it get in your eye? Yeah. Shall we? You want some in this bowl? Is this bowl clean?
Yeah.
Don't spill it now, okay? Silly.
Okay. I guess we gonna start. She would have to be the one to pour hers in the cup.
Oh yeah, I told you.
Someone asked if I can force my burps. That's quite hard. I was trying to do it in my Zaxby mukbang that I did the other day. The food was blocking my throat. I couldn't make it happen. Maybe this ain't strong enough.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I don't know.
Ooh, you winning.
My hiking there enjoying this.
Ooh. No.
There we go.
No.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do the thumbnail. We gotta be looking at each other and burp with our mouths open. I'm gonna suck up. I'm gonna do a thumbnail for this one.
I think my ice watered mine down.
Yeah. Ooh.
Mine is talking about,
You gonna burp? Your burps. They weak.
Yeah, they are.
What am I do?
Or
Woo. My stomach is full.
yeah. I ain't trying to be full off no soda.
Y'all. I'm full. Let's see if you can get a big one.
Oh God. This ain't for me, y'all. I tried it for y'all.
We tried.
Yeah.
I'm full. I can't. This video is short, but it was just for fun and games. I can't do it. I'm full. I feel like I just. Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
I did it for y'all. That was
I feel like I just ate.
Yes, a whole meal.
Course meal.
Look what you did. Is there any more napkins? Ooh.
That was something. Look, you
wasted, boo.
don't waste it. You gonna waste it. Look. I think I got one more in me. You done? takes the cake. Yep. That one takes the cake.
That is for you,
guys.
subscriber. I'm gonna need you to go check out my channel and subscribe for me.
Yes. Y'all go check out our channel. I think I put it in the other video we did.
I don't know.
It should be in the link, but her channel will be in my description box down below. And y'all, this challenge is kind of hard.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's because we didn't have a strong enough soda.
Yeah.
Or
well, this was strong to me. That's how I was able to get that last one.
Maybe I need to.
But I think it got watered down by the ice in the beginning.
I don't know. But my next video, I want to try. What is it? Don't wipe your mouth challenge.
Oh.
So we'll probably do that one soon. Zoom, 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 zoom. All right, y'all. You remember that? Oh, I'm getting distracted. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and also check out her channel. And let me know what other videos you guys want to see. See you guys in another video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.